Today, we're diving into Higgsfield AI, a powerful platform that lets you create realistic AI influencers and cinematic videos in minutes. I'll show you how to install it, how to grab free credits, and the secret to building a consistent AI influencer without typing a single complex prompt. Let's get started. First things first, let's get the tool ready. You can use Higgsfield on your mobile or right on your PC, and I've dropped the official link in the description below to save you the search. To install it on your computer, just head to that site and look for the Install app icon in your browser's address bar. One click on install and boom, you've got a dedicated desktop app. No more digging through tabs, just instant access whenever inspiration strikes. Once it's installed, opening it up is a breeze. Just launch the app and hit continue with Google. It's the fastest way to sync your account across all your devices. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all the magic happens. You'll see your profile in the corner, giving you quick access to your settings and, most importantly, your workspace. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite part. Free credits. This is the fuel for your creative engine, and in 2026, Higgsfield has one of the most generous but competitive systems out there. All right, so you claimed your daily bonuses, but you still need more credits to make your videos. What do? It's time to make multiple accounts. This is the easiest way to get free credits. First, open your Higgsfield app on your computer. Next, you need a fresh email address. You can easily make a new Gmail account just for this. Keep it super simple. Sign up for a new Higgsfield account with that email. Boom, you instantly get the new user welcome bonus. That is 10 free credits ready to use. Make your videos, download them, and what happens when you run out? Just do it again, make another email and make another account. I know creators who make whole short films doing this for free. Quick tip, if Higgsfield stops letting you make accounts, just turn on a VPN to change your location before you make the next one. Keep doing this and you will never run out of credits. All right, let's get into the meat of the video. If you've ever used AI, you know the struggle. You generate a cool character, but in the next shot, their face changes, their hair shifts, and suddenly your influencer is a complete stranger. This is where things go from basic AI to elite level consistency. If you've ever tried to build a character and it keeps changing every single render, this is how you fix that permanently. Head over to Character and select Sole ID Character. This is the blueprint for how the AI learns your character's identity. Ignore this and you'll get inconsistency every time. Next, upload your dataset, and this is where most people mess up. Don't just upload a few selfies, you want range, different angles, different expressions, different hairstyles, outfits, lighting setups. Think of it like training a human artist. The more perspectives you give, the more accurately it understands the face. Now watch this. This is the hidden indicator that tells you if you're doing it right. Once you pass around 50 high quality images over 1 megabyte each, you'll hit this excellent rating. That's your signal that the system has enough data to lock your character's identity at a near perfect level. As those upload, check the system indicator right here. Notice how we hit the excellent rating? You only unlock this level of accuracy by uploading over 50 high-quality images that are larger than 1 megabyte. This is the AI confirming it has enough data to make your character bulletproof. Once everything's uploaded, hit create. This is where the model builds your character's identity anchor. Give it a second, and once it's ready, go back and hit generate to use the character in generating photos or videos. And here's where the magic kicks in. Your character now exists as a tag. That tag is your identity lock. You can drop it into any prompt, pick a preset vibe, or write your own scene. And no matter what you change, the face stays exactly the same. This is the result. A fully consistent AI character that doesn't drift, doesn't mutate, and actually looks like the same person across every generation. But this is where most people stop, and they shouldn't. Take your character into video, drop the same identity tag into the video generator, add a motion prompt, or even better, a motion reference, and hit generate. And just like that, you've gone from random AI generations to a fully consistent digital human that can move, perform, and scale across content. This is the foundation of every AI influencer, brand, or viral content system in 2026. And there you have it. From installation to creating your first viral-ready AI star, Higgsfield AI makes the process effortless. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of AI influencer you're planning to build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.